Hello, love.
You have the different one.
Hello, love. I can hear you.
Hi. I want to let him know.
Yeah.
If you like, he apologizes from now till next year. It's not going to be forgiven. We're going to make an example out of somebody because this is just too much. You guys can play. You can mention whatever you want about anybody, but don't play that with my mom. That's off limits. So whatever we want to do, we're going to do it. So the apologies is pointless. Stop apologizing. I don't need your apology. Because this thing is getting too much now.
Okay. E part 2 Oh, yeah, now. Oh, yeah, no pogia, now.
Mujaneji.
Okay.
Wow, you don't get family nane. Ina ka we marogi na you ya buga. I have to tell this family the truth. Ina option ina do back we all waka we agbe one. No, it cannot happen. Please, my son. I'm begging from the bottom of my heart. Please, my son. I know I senior you. I can call you my son, but I'm still begging you for the bottom of my heart. I'm begging your brothers. I'm begging your mother for the bottom of my heart. You people should forgive me and forget. Let the peace reign. Tomorrow you can be my helper. Tomorrow I become your helper. Please. I'm begging. Beg your mommy for me.
This one to pay me.
Beg your mommy for me. Your mommy is like my mommy. Your mommy is like my mommy. I'm begging you, please. I thank God so some of this part of this family, they are here now. I will begin to beg you people. I will begin to beg. No, if other people should come here to come and talk, it's not my business. But when I construct, it's my problem that I will construct on him. It's me that offend this family. It's me that offend your father, your mother, and these children. I have to beg you people, please, my son. I'm begging for bottom of my heart, forgive. Our God still forgive us when we commit sin. Please. 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 Eloji.
Epa. Obere matana na otona. Ona sore bieka. Ogona na kana omodo. She's a married woman. And the husband is a very popular person. Like that other lady said, that the husband is a very soft person. Okay, no problem. So you think the not soft? All the lads and I'm make be matana nya wo kan.
Mujani ti be koma we. Mabere usalo bo anu you wa dinania. Agbonbe family na direct.
Even why wona ero.
Mujani ji agbonbe we family na ni memory yo una me beg direct na. If agbonbe any family na me beg direct na with my mother.
A family not by family adun a family so ni. Get involved.
Ini boku ni ye enwon ogiolose okuno mosinegbe pada awe se no seveze ye nogi ye me bi gwe o working ave po mo dan epegbe aje lawo wo je me bi gwe ya bowe lawo wo je ya bowe ira me tuni kabaka wa ya bowe walao agbomogini digwe walao imiaji.
Wow, that's west. I don't have much to say. I don't have much to say because Omanakana. I've been talking to Asabero since. Because no matter of the way people are coming online to say it's just sorry, just need that say sorry. You don't have to be afraid. A Patoni is a very soft person. A cow sure is a kind person, is a soft person.
Mommy, this is what me family.
I'm not like her, so I'm not like her, man. Everybody in Benin, they know the kind of person of him. But you see, Ubere man, he don't act binane. As he attack you since, I'm gonna attack you when he didn't do anything to you. He only call you on Facebook and ask you question. Oh, and with the only video he did. All Ladiana do ata we know this is too much. Am I anything? So is the and Facebook now, they are causing more damages.
That
You just try and work with family. Now, or where this Facebook conversation is not going to help anything. Get your family. You have a family. Get your family to go and meet with this woman's family. He's also a big person of it, though. You go and meet him. It's not Facebook la. This is bonnet. You cannot just come on Facebook and say, okay.
3 days before this go now where no need no ya with family man. We buy a ticket and come to Benin. I can go to prison. If me I win you, yeah, we made a mistake. He made a mistake. You know how you want to or now you want to do what we want. Even type by video na way. He said the ticket man wait to Kabaka Kase. We are about to the Benin airport. You are real why. Iya digwe nuru iya himi ya. Iwa bemi kune. Aka weda me.
Then you have a family. When you get Facebook, you know, they are not your family member. Get your people to go and do the needful. You have to boy on it.
But you
say you are not bringing out the woman. It's okay, no problem. I just want to know, are you bringing out because the children want to know, are you going to bring out the woman or not? And you said you don't have anybody to bring it, but it's okay. It's fine.
Wow, dating ya give me gan igbonbege we ikole gyawe ya we magbon agbonbe ikole gyawe ya we magbon iyimi ijeme iye twins lawo iwa bemi kune erugwa nan wache toni eri mana na che toni Kabaka moka gbina ne be do cyber space na ikwe no ma joja ne we eyan waso aswagile ye beguwe. When I watch a video, I was there for my father, Tony Kabaka. So here was why I give a big way. Sometimes in life, where Oklahoma made a mistake, I correct a mistake. Even I did ticket you where I did go that. Why don't I win a moment like Kotu? On a major gun, no problem. A dog by a lad and don't I win a boy say with women. Oh, yeah, with women, if you had hospital, a bog with women, ununa women. Unumena gbeme. But agbon me carry tama, ni me do tori ma, agbon me we tama nania. Agbon me we tama. Nu wala oye me, saboro ni je, ni bokun. No fwa ni ege. Eloluja no we leleme. Eloluja no we leleme. Iyen wo wan suki. Lao, sisi iyen o no si Kenya na we egwan iyen wo sikawe. Igi je social media ni hen yawo, ya yu dan mi yawo. But ya doing cool while like a big Jimmy. Ijo mo, okwo wa, okwo dolo wai. Sisi me ekini, ijeme jene, eniboku no fwa ni jeme, yekino jene, yekini akelane. Ijeme gagwa, o se ti gwera megwa. Ijeme a se ti gwera megwa oma, ovi maino. Iyawo pa egbe. Usaba we no se na bido sike nya medene na, we yana. Ina se ti gbujeme gwa ne ma bijeme na egwa fun ijeme la wo kimi ni lili we en wo dawe mi jabo la wo jenugi won kin ogiolo so kin ko na ayo kin wa toji emi na gbo ama we gbe la wo ni bokun la wo ya ko me gwe mi wo ijemo kin iyo gbo ya kin iye do ya kin la wo je Lawuji igweji iwa bemi kune amasunu ya ipetu 10 years igbekiana eya repetu gina imagege ya je petu gina oku lese mi na je petu gina do vie yimo eya uki wana iwu ka magome na lahin so imegi do yimi we na nia 10 years igbe ma wa bemi kuna de ma we gbo ide so popa iya wa ma mi no kiyan ize nu wala o ijeme gume ijeme ya bu na saboro mu meji line ni ya ijeme ni ya imi mo itemeni gie wala wa ya bome itemeni gie me junior ones wa ya bome kimi ni ririwu when aweta iju wa we bi me agbo bego ja ni jima But I'm going to beg even Anania. Walao. Yan wo po wa. Ina se ti lo bije me la o. I beg a better way to ni Kabaka vedero. Or immediately we no la na egui. Oh, I'm sorry, my love. No la na egui. So me akọ bije me swenia. Ni ti wa imi je me. Ije edam me ni ata Facebook ni. Edam yo. Me no wo e. Odo digwe mi awe. Me no wo. Okay, ati we mi awe. La wo je me ni je.
About it, a video where you turn on your page where I don't page where drop a or your page where.
We delete no. We have video we delete ya kwa na. Have bloggers.
And where you turn yeah, we blogger pick any but on our page where drop a one.
You delete ya kwa na. Delete ya kwa na. E page delete ya kwa na. Ya check e ban ya delete ya kwa. You can't delete no book one. Kenany ate book na ya delete no book one. Ya delete e kwa.
That is only Kabaka la wo that is get. Oh, what kind boy you son? I will fear nele la wo baba.
Iye me Jessica.
Oh, where me akwa?
Mama, iye Jessica. Iye me Jessica. Ije me rewa. Iye me dami yo. Iye me ma kia.
La mommy la wo okay rima. Okay, that is Kabaka la wo je la o marigue la wo mommy la wo la je la o. Na kaba mo na we bie na kaba tioma na kaba wioma la wo momi la o e ono na o we kyo po e do we gbe we na de yan na push e kin awon hin tama no we de gbe o ma so e ma so ro yen so we ye so yan lele we yan si we se ye koti la wo momi la o la wo comment section abeg me na no write my name for that. I just got beg no go gbeleru wa gbeleju wa
It's a boy.
la wo
when you beg a comment, make a comment.
La wo ka woni eso ni me ba woni egbe ni me ba la wo mommy owo ke ri ma la wo ke mommy Tony Kabaka la wo mommy la o je mo la wo wa forgive wa la wo ne BPA ya mo wa la o agun ahon so there ni ka wa la wo na na ke we gbe iwe wa la wo
mommy nice star we your kokon si na reason si won magun we dey ba ye ko na kinu we ade la wo je
la wo mommy la o e ori okoko na di ze yan ma ge wenu je ni la wo mommy la o
igwali jabo ni kise kiri ba ye ko na iwe ni ari jabo mi ni ala mi yan ka ma ni pagbe mi gwe kiri ba ye ko na o se na yin mi
na no imi ave social media na but a social media na time ona we baba na ari wo gwa without man like social media amoso time we e wo gwa na time social media. Or see no carry social media na begging now. So we come indoor, not the way the needful. Wala wo. So wa forgive ne man ya mwe eyebrow pressure. Ne bibia ya like be wala wo wala. Even now we slow that bona we di maya. Awe me paeto ni Kabaka no muladia. O gbogi an o be di maya fefe. We no really agi do wa me gbegu we gian. Or masse wala wo.
I know no boy and we call one mommy now. Not supposed to be here, right? But please, I still want to plead on his behalf. If there is any way we can tamper justice with mercy, if possible. I know it's not easy and it's not a thing that is just like between a twinkle of an eye. Okay, it's going to take time because healing comes with time, right? I understand perfectly well. But please, I will still chat you up, please. Please, I beg you. I understand the fact that what he did is really terrifying. I know it is an abominable act. I understand, but on behalf of him, I pledge and I plead with the entire family. If there is any way they can consider
temper mercy, please.
Temper justice with mercy. There's an adage in Benin that says, yes, of a truth, individual constitute nuisance on the space, but his own is really out of hand. I know it is. And on that fateful day, I tried all my possible best to stop it.
My sister. Sorry, that was why I won't send you a message in your inbox.
I know.
I'm sorry.
Heaven is my witness. I'm not a TikTok person. I'm a Facebooker. And I knew God brought me his way that fateful day. But
this is my first time of coming
all to no avail.
TikTok.
Ever since this issue came up.
Yeah.
Ever since this issue came up, I have sleepless nights. I don't know why, but please, if there's any way, I don't want to say it here, I will definitely inbox you. And thank
Just
you very
come Bini,
much.
if I come Bini, now your papa get Bini,
Thank you very
and they
much
come Bini anytime now.
responding to my chat. I so much
Well, I know they come
appreciate
Bini.
you.
I keep person for
Darling,
Bini.
I don't know you for more than how many years now. How
we
used to
don't
call
be
you my in-law.
we
So,
not be friend. We not be friend of 5 years. I know.
so I don't know you for a long time. You never do me anything bad.
I
So
know.
if I just say the man, at least you get contact with him and you guys are talking. I entered the life when they talk. I was like, what's going on? That was the reason why I sent you that message.
I know.
Say, please, sis, I beg, let's talk. What's going on? Can you talk to this man?
Yes.
Eh?
I beg. See, help me
Just do the needful. Because
Yes.
we are not going to benefit anything if you die tomorrow. But the issue is just follow the right way, do the needful.
Yeah,
Because
I will let you know. I will let you know.
They matter ni come up with a una wati daddy wati we daddy Tony wati we Mr. Man, what are you saying? We are in wetana. Who are we paisa gano mamuwe awa emanyo wa ewe. But we not challenge ewe no ya the man call not for problem. We not challenge ewe no ya tie boyo ura bae ura baworan. That was too much. So the issue is just that a man, a panning or more bola jane. I don't know the kind of issue you have with that man. A man in more bola jane, or involve a family, or involve a boy. So you look for elderly people that will go and beg these people, talk to them for you. Then you go more wala or why I built me now. We're telling you now. Oh, what does you? She's a married woman for 25 years.
Ivy, let me just tell you the truth right here and now, right? We have tried one or two how to get to about Loadooh.
Yeah.
And he's a very nice person, so he spoke his mind. And of a truth, he's very correct. He said Mr. Tony, Comrade Tony Kabaka is his elder brother. And the wife as well, he's his brother's wife. So he cannot do anything contrary to what has been done unless apology can only be accepted, sacrifices can only be done if there is any way the family of Loadooh will forgive. And this same person, Atiti, has to do what he needs to do. If he has made peace with that family, it is that same family, the family of Mr. Comrade Loadooh, that will now bring Atiti and they will do the needful. That is where the problem is. I wouldn't lie.
Yes, of course.
So there's nothing we can even do now without that. So there's nothing we can do now at this point. We are stuck.
Yeah.
We are stuck until this family of Mr. Comrade come to our rescue.
You know.
Yeah, that's where we are now.
So the issue will be this. See, you just if you go look for somebody, maybe you look for somebody that will help her, that will help him to beg for Tony. Then a pa go tell una what you want to do. Now a pa go by himself talk to his wife. Because now he marry and put for house. Now his wife, now he marry and put for house.
Ivy, before I come meet you, I have tried all possible best. Everything beyond humanly possible.
Yeah.
It's all turned out abortive. I wouldn't lie. Okay, but we still keep on trying and see how it goes.
Because my the wife was so hot. Like, what is all this? This woman, she doesn't talk. Mama Tiffy there with you for house for how many years? You know, go concern you and her. People will know her.
I know. Ivy, I beg. I go come back to you again. If there is anybody he can hack his
man, that person married the woman. We should just go through that area.
Yes, that's the same channel we have worked with. But it's not giving us.
Beg Daddy Tony. If he beg her, that one they go tell her what he want to do. Now that one will come beg his children and his wife. Okay. Then you go before you come, they do this public apology. You should go and do the needful from. You should go and do that from home. Make call the woman, the man family. Okay. Should call them. Make them. I think get family for us now.
My sister, I want to go. I will go ask. I'll go and call my family to follow me down there.
Yes. All this one when they talk say they go kill you. They'll cut your name. What do they want to kill you for? Who want kill you? Don't you say Pato, you don't kill person before. Why will you kill you? His whole point is you should come out and bring the woman out.
Well, anybody know there, me talking.
Before you talk that kind of come out. You sit down. Person wife, you're your forger. Out of all the social media, you can't say na Tony wife where you don't know for eye. If not the woman where they social media now say you they see and they can't carry a matter give you. You don't even know her. You have not seen her before. She's not on Facebook. She's not in any of this media.
Mommy, please. I'm begging for bottom of my heart. I made a very big mistake in my life. I will not make this type of mistake again. I'm begging Tony Kabaka and his family and my mother, Mama twins. Please, you people should forgive me. You people should forgive me. Right from the day I know I still saw Tony Kabaka on this Facebook where they scatter a hotel. I know creamy person the cause for this speaking. I don't know the type of temptation I went through now. But I'm begging, I want to buy a ticket and go back home. If you want to arrest me, may arrest me. If you want to beat me, may beat me. If you want to forgive me, may forgive me. That's why I tell you do my thing. I don't offend this man, I'll go house.
If you want go house, go beg the family. You feel go house, or you call you get family. Call your family. May they go meet the family. I do family. May they talk. What I not know tradition. I don't know anything about that. So now they know what you go through.
But
the sacrifice you are going to make. Sister, then they will tell you.
Sister, I want to tell you one word. If I never beg here and we are for doing Europe when I for do this bad when I do so, I need to beg first. At least
yes, but that's the beg. More people are coming to your page to lie, to cause more harm.
From tomorrow, I'm not bringing people up. Mommy. From tomorrow, I'm not bringing people up again.
Just imagine this woman saying,
you just apologize.
Not be you starter. Not be talking just now. You don't already apologize.
Mama,
Juju no, you want to rest now. Juju no, keep everybody rest.
Mommy, you don't apologize.
Madam, I hope you are from Benin. That is Benin language. Okay, I gbomoyi digwe. Where me on my tail when it's out the gue of that is the meaning.
Madam, even where you put any on this page, I was hearing you. Even where you put any where a Tony Kabaka is a very soft person. He go even forgive. Okay, forgive. Over home and I married for 20-something years. All the lads you will be video. Then you know,
sister, no soon. If you're planning me, what it no, the other day, it's all about my one. He said, you know, it's only God that can bear me weakness. I have quarrel with him. We're party. You go too far for this matter.
Okay.
You understand? But what I try to say, when the man Benjamin where he Tony Kabaka, I forgive her. Is that right? It's not right. Tony Kabaka, she's human like us. He have feelings. Do you understand? That is why I said, this is social media. Tony Kabaka, it's not a murderer. Do you understand? That is what make me explain that part or make me say it.
Madam, the same thing now. Okay? The same thing when I matter now Tony Kabaka is a very popular person in Benin. So you don't just come on social media. You can do other bullying and say he did this, he did that. But not with his own wife and family. You don't do that. So they no soon your own. Who are you? How call a family well? Let your family go and meet with Abdul's family. Yeah, so they will tell you what to do. Anyway, outside the social media where a begging Agbama Yidigwe.
Emanodo Guani, they are here plaguing me. May not weigh me or begging now. Before then, if we time where you go, because we beg you more baller, then I will go back home.
Single mother na batting, just in a single mother. You yes, a single mother na batting. If I be single mother na batting.
Only saying I give wala no dame wana ri na ya udoni we robi ogian saburu do we have say gan we robi wanu dame wana ri na wala woji dey all my gan hin when my yalla dan we but togo we no ma I will present no mo wori ana no mo pe agboto ni lele kon kere ni ade ni na gwogian Any Riana, where on my donkey, but it will your may God forgive me my sin.
We are presenting on my woody and getting a generina. Because it will marry I will get telling with
Mommy, I'm still begging this family. Yari you wa. Iye wo papu ya wo se, o pa be gbo won se. Abi ya san bole me gbo, o ye jo pa ke kan no. E yan gbe me kan ko
e pa Atiti Mudiane. Mami bo future mother ilo abe no verse.
I greet you, sis.
I'm great you pass. Mommy just say what I say. I think there is a misunderstanding somewhere, but please, we are all soliciting for peace. Nala wo. Pa Atiti mami owo bo wa yezo. Lo pa eso wa iko. Eki ari uwala ya lobe yo get Mudia yo unwe tapuli we POP. To me, is just being dramatic. Right? We are good time. Wajo wanutana eno ayajo we na eno ayajo na 3 days.
Davio.
Mudiane gwa de na. Market mena. Eno ayajo ke ma fi pe de ya. What I think we should do, you know what take which by the special grace of God, ma be yani. Eri taban we, eni na wa we na unpa. So I gwa level kode oda semi roma, oda semi yoma. Nagagi imia. Onwa no ga seti gwe pa Tony Kabaka gwa omugo wa onwe no rona cause eri ene yata ija gwa me ake na azebo sakwene we aze ogwe bai but of your at ibe banya obi o me any bana no wo here no o market me na so we na ga edo we awa mi o ojale kwa o ogen we gwa we atani me mon we riwe tan we do eje baje. Okay, I'm coming home by myself, my son, my papa, my mama. You want about money, letting. If you need setting you, you bejo. You get me now. Naka imi ne yaga o honora were. Adare mi wa no si erele no ika wo matiti. Kumeba the igwe pa Kabaka gwa na ge doga ke wana ho. Oh ye we we mi wona be mi we ri ono ri akin ayati ma no go egwa. Ati we mi nwe aga iwoni ne ahe dogi ri o wa ya seni ebo. Do video why I'm here dudu a pack Kabaka really reggae a dudu. Get me now. Now don't more on your cosi afira benwa. Get me. Understand so where you are say wajowa who am I while a demo day next week?
Mujaji waya wesi so abade ba waya we abona aleruna mi idubo second chance of the devil no emi okwa ni an mi okwa ni mi okuwe ya kama kim na laveli o wa wegbe tibata but nevertheless ya we mana gbope na yi o ma so pe na le la iba ni bi eto ya pe tan wiki mana gbope na yi o ma so pe na le la denu dona emi metana me yedo me yiwere usabo we see ibi ri ewo bole but I have to go and do the needs. I must to do
the turn by woman yere egbomo no a Onowa
imawe gbomo
we can no
Davio iya make example iba ya make example
o ge ita ba o ma de yo
okay lawo ijeme wala o ijeme sifu wari wana be na ijeme ri ma saburu lawo di igume ni ijeme aseti gwera me go ijeme aseti gwe Tony Kabaka go lao gume ni ya in was e wo wa gbemegi yegi iyen wori wana
this amion and all TV or even my me hoja wa ya we here we to we de yo we no tani o am a prolonged judgment adjournment la wa yin me ke ma afi we re here igari owa o ya ari ahun market me or egenari yo na otan otun igbe between 97 days imam egbe iga mi ni ki alega gbe me but o ite mi go se ni ije la ho era me Kabaka la era mo dudu la ho egun eyin ebo we no iyewu erikere igari o get me na then we Italian by TikTok
ya imi we ewu ya fefefe
but imagine when you who we di no keke o ka wo ni mi
ijeme Tony Kabaka ijeme era me Tony Kabaka di ba ijeme wa to emi na gun ama wa gbe odudu emi na gun ama wa gbe egbe mi na ga sunu toledo vini ya ekoto ade opi anomo awon anomo emo agwa yo kwere egbe tomo so are kina na we no na me na we bi no keke ni so nu wala o mate mo egbe ya re o kan aje gbowo idebe ya na iga ya mi ya gwa le mi ya de ticket ye ya ga jiwa but iki ajiwa e only came on expect you na imi jeme iyi fifa e only expect na imi ya wo wo wa ijeme no nogun imi rame no yo gbogbo iko irami oga imi rame ijeme na seti imi rame irami an seti gwe ododugwan wala imi aje wala wo abi jeme wala wagun egbinigbina na iteni pe wagun egbinigbina na igbinana semegbe oni won bone wala iyo wa Loadooh won ma igun wa won
Oh, epa wogwa.
la wo ji imi gwe opportunity nu ya re be na so ba reason na be ade ma be tele na reason ni oge no manu ne gume imi je me la o give me big gwe
Epa wogwa.
Abby, thank you very much. I really appreciate. I won't lie. God bless you for the respect and the honor. God bless you.
You are team and I know. You will there on na ya mi light in oro. Obi ma go bania. Omo yin wa ya team and I know with na yin will light it on e sabwa wesi. Jesu wesi mi gbe. Walao.
When I sin. Ume family just do the needful with the both with the both family. Daddy Tony, look for somebody. Since you mind me work with or not time aware that there is nothing like that, you just forge it. I don't know if they are going to accept that from you, of which I doubt, because time aware bandwidth, you have to provide that person. You need to provide the person before they are going to listen to anything. That is their stand. Only standing here because only we have a video for 3 days. I'm just saying it because when you one, right? That has been your stand. Where the person worry but 9 minutes now, so I don't even know what to say in all this. Yeah,
maybe when it gets to that point, let's say it's a bit confused, it's unsettled at the moment, right?
So, I don't know how you are going to go about it. Your reality was settled. I have no concern in there. Is the man of the house. So you hear you were right?
We give me not a tigwe, it a big one. But the name now, I quay up with me. You give me not a tigwe, a big one. If Billy will have me be beery, then it have me beery, ne? Okay, Bonora, I send a bonoro. Walao, ya you wire with me, ya with the miss. He can set you one, Lenny, we will tell a wobble left for how? You want baby cooling, women are one. He got to what? No way, me give me loud, way me give me. Ijeme no obiomo okuno ibiene ijeme jarihin women me give me la how. If you beg my mother for me, I know my mother can talk to my father, Tony Kabaka. Please.
Epa, when you can't see your work again, maybe na me ya
Get your opportunity in the answer. My phone.
No, she's not media. You can't talk to her. She's not media.
Every man. They have to give me the opportunity. We wire telephone.
Epa, any yet I think. Emma no concern. You're in Nigeria.
Okay, West. Yeah, you are. Any bonati more than the eyes you in the area wire. Mo, when they got ye. So, Saboro West Kakabo. This Kawule Waya West.
I greet you and thank you very much. Thank you.
So, yeah, as if we do not bona, yeah, stop it one for now.
When we are here, party when we are here, when we are last month.
Omawawese.
Call you know
Oya fefe wa wese wala wo abeg me not forget abeg. Wala
say why you come for me wala. No go you say no man go say why you come for me. If you do, I will tell me no way me ya fe ni ya respect you na wa mami o de dan. Ana do me wala mani do fio boy na o se me gbe ni wala ala mana wa
ya just matter the paper una for body una never see anything. The other one said that Jesse give her information. Me, I know Tony Kabaka for her or his wife. Ogun Beluwa on the craze. Now this Oguna fit to now. Uwa Beo have enemy of progress.
Asaburu wa digwe le platform ya kan o de ya ba aru bi wi an. Asaburu la ya bobe la wu musaburu. Ya bobe. O ma mi ewe yi. You are a queen. Even na Muhammad we Saburu. So I will still beg other people. Qui n'ont pas yourself, que l'on m'a yourself. Waya land, waya bobe. Na peace reign.
I'm not happy issue. What of you? What are you doing now? For writing, he will not forgive you. That will be the issue. The way you help, you are Jesse Willis are not happy issue. No, they insult me. No, see, they are insulting me. They are insulting me. I have to reply to them. They cannot cost me and leave them because now I beg a day. And they beg a part, Tony, and they beg your wife, and they beg daddy, Loadooh. So not be said they'll come to insult me for years.
Madam, now the statement where you pay they make, that's why the people they are attacking you. Because I was
for me to say I beg.
Why would they put fire? Say na beg if they beg. No, you not keep person. That was your statement. That is the reason why they are angry with you. Because you make a statement. That me as I attack you. I said, why would you say a thing like that? You are a mother. Will somebody come up for 3 days to insult you? Do you know the meaning of adultery?
Mommy.
What you are supposed to do as a mother, as you come up, you say, "But this is what you do is very wrong." Please,
you went the right, madam. I don't want to just go to your side because I have talked to a party since yesterday.
No, you not talk. I dare your sis, madam. You did say nothing.
No, since yesterday I talked to him. You did wrong. You understand? So after we have talked that, we go for beg. Nala wowo, please. So all those comments, I cannot wait to. They are insulting their mother, their father, and their generation. Okay, I can't take it. I will give it back to them.
See, like I said before, any I wanna tell one this matter is not a problem. Okay, since una say
now the commenter be the problem now, not be a pa, not be a wife. Now the commenter, now me with the talk. I know they talk to una family. Do you understand? I know they talk to una family. Now beg and they beg una. Where it concern, where this family, where it concern for this family. I will make ya now. Now una they beg. But all those commenter now go buy them. Now you go buy now. And they beg a Loadooh. Loadooh is a great man. Tony Kabaka is a great man. His family. So they beg people when it concern. All those idiots fellow when they comment session. Now they kill now the one until they write my name for them. Now they crazy. They're not born now where. Now children are the cause. Now children. Now children head. Then that cause they go.
Since you say person not they way call you way give you the matter. No problem. If your family if you go meet your husband, go and start from there. All these social media presenters, supporters where you get, they are not going to help you. Because when the matter starts, all of them they clap. But when you come out, all of them shaking their head. So they are not going to help you. The only thing I would just advise you to do, get your family, a family, a matter or a social media name.
Family. And the family, give me your papa, me and marry. And the family, give me your papa.
Because we will not dig with your missing on my what does she? So you will know where you want to start solving the problem. Come on social media and say Tony Kabaka now, because the day the Tony Kabaka call you repeated the same statement. Who evidence? So if you come up with such pride where you have proof, they should go and swear. You will make a video again and said The air you can have one who are bad, no voice say. So why are you not coming up and say you forged?
No, I don't go sit down, I go stand. I don't go sit down, I go stand.
You don't know Mama T before. You don't know her before. So as sister, my take on this matter is either you go and beg or not. If you have to bring, if you want your problem to be solved, bring out that person that give you that information. Then your problem is 50% on the safer side. And then you are not ready for anything. You are not ready, Epa. Let's leave it that way. You are not ready. Waiting with video for 3 days. We are bully or ban or what?
Now today you don't say your mama mumu. You don't say your mama na mumu.
Then you
your mama name na first name na mumu.
Woman did not be the woman who are dedicated to you. No ya brigade. You have all your proof. Epa, see, nobody is stupid on this platform. We are all adults. We are not babies. You cannot make video for good 3 days and say you have a proof. And after I've been born, video that same day. The husband called you public platform. You also repeated it again. And now all of a sudden, I just feel that you are just crying. It's all pretend. You are not feeling remorseful. If you are feeling remorseful, you bring out that person's number. Because everybody has called you to bring out that person's number. That is where we are interested. You have to bring out.
Yes, I be Atiti girlfriend. And today you know I be Atiti girlfriend.
If you bring out the woman's number, Banya, any problem?
And you see,
you focus on that person. Because this matter is not only a matter. Now there are people behind it. You are not the only person that is sitting on this issue.
I'm not going to now we are there, so we are there.
You have to bring out that number, Ipa. So if you bring out the person number, no problem. But if you not bring out the person number, no wala, no rest like that. No wala.
Hello.
All right. No problem.
If you don't know what can see, hello.
Hello. AJ.
So, if you don't know what can see, why I was see. No way we make no matter where we baby kune. A baby kune una egbe mo ne vivyo hian egbo se. Yan gbo mama wa baby ku. No tala je unu gbe voice unu na me na. Yan we mistake no.
I go buy ticket follow am, no worry, I will buy ticket follow am.
Yes, aloboa. We see your conversation aye. E conversation yan mo dey ba.
Ogun ogbeliyan, wa mu nzan. Iyan si we fi we na yen si we fi we ne. Iyan na pa, iyan si we fi we, iyan do agbe na mi je manana. I wasn't there when this matter started. They are the one that push you inside. I told you yesterday when Iyan now they want to push you. That's why they push you into this mess. No go and agbe na go be their breakfast. Na it fit them. Eh? Your mama na mumu. Now today you don't say your mama na mumu. You don't know say your mama na mumu right from the one. No be na push her inside.
Hello.
When they do all of na dead, none of na say but it drop. This thing no way they toss it no good.
Hello?
Drop it no good. Na not dead there. Wasungu.
Hello. Hello. Mama. Mama koyo. Koyo.
Yeah, don't
Call you.
But then, Parima Kabaka Lavo Papa Lao. Lavo, Ian Yajona. Ian Atiti Kanet Bezone, or Semiana Kusemiana Majo. Or Ian Garutebe, Tenoviji. Lavo Baba Wise, you know, the Wise in Agmotai Paudu. Lavo, Lao Majeje Mazurinia, and Bomodini Digo. Or never knew. Oh, Mama, Mary, the Nana, Pada, already know. So in the Anna Magnazi, we are very much wine at Chua this year. Now I would like to know Chua this year, Maga, Palago, Wayapima, Mateta, Magica, and no barrow, baron or the day, and no barrow, barrow, the Mazaji Goma Betamae, the mother son, a boy in the Villa, or ya for Jay, Walao, Namikina, Aknia, Walao, Nagi, Yajo, Nagi, Mureba. Iya nike no wabe talo with life with you. Iya vane bezone ose miana yajo iya ngado gwina nuwa. Ave ni kalero nuwa ne. Nuwa mike na de iya kalero nuwa ne kalero joja nuwa ne. So wala weta la imagine inya. There is nothing we can do. Oh une.
Wabe agbola na magina. Wabe agbola na magina.
Iya no wakli kuseno le majona again iro. Oh le shoba. Ọgbẹ́ kòkò máa fọ́rẹ̀ dọ̀rẹ́ Atiti ìgbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ kó bá ọ̀rẹ́ àdédéyà ẹ̀bá tí ọ̀nà náà dàsùnmù náà ẹ̀rọ náà jẹ́rẹ̀ mìíràn. Ọ̀rẹ́ Atiti ẹ̀jẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ̀ náà ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ bọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ bọ̀ mọ́ ọ̀nà làjẹ́ náà dùn yín ya. Àríyànyà ẹ̀mú nẹ́bọ̀ gbèrè náà bìjú wa. Wẹ̀ mí ọ̀nà yá yín ya. Ìyá fún yá yín ya gbẹ̀rẹ̀ ní atayọ̀ mọ́ta náà. So àṣì àì ọmọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi mẹ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀rí ẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀nà náà jẹ́ yín ya láti tòde gbẹ̀ náà mọ̀ láàwòwò nùkú aláwòwò nùkú láwòwò ìṣí má lè mùsèmùsè ọ̀bọ̀kẹ́rì má ní pàkàbàkà láwòwò pínì má láwòwò pínì ní yé princess má làọ́ láwòwò màmá rí ni màkì ìhìn àì láwòwò níbi ẹgbùmọ̀ ìgbérí má gbọ́n ní ẹgbùmọ̀ ìyẹn ẹ̀ẹ́ta àtànẹ̀. Na video tie maja webe oge no madoto oge be la video maja webe la wo no wu ero no ni ro pasun da ero gugu ma wa la wo la o a ti ti osun e yo gawe mo joto but example kina iya no wa ta be la video ni ami kina e kini ari ogweji you understand because me avi me do tagwe e be no sun na me do like bueno na si corrime me na do like ao e bona te wa keke ni ajaru e ajaru me ya show example e live video ni keni ato ani agbogbo jowa ni ya na omi e onu vita ni ya no sunu da o ge gata ani ne wonu o keke ne example wa ro to ya wa show example ji ke no se o ko ma rave o pa fi pe jo wa no po ri ya no ma keke agawe wala gogo papa lao baba imagine inya na ni obe ni mafia o
ave comenta la bebe ya ki o la de muma bidis
mama kwesi vilie ni arika ogo mani agweni agbene no bi abuno je la video no bi abuno because ya mi ke no mo se na nena gweni agwa agbene oga ime no obe ma dele ime ma oteka omavita agijena ota omavita agijena aginyana igwe ya boluane di mebe no emori kokwa gbene la video e patiti do ma gbo egwa e give me aboke edimopi
the first thing that since they say na me oh they say first thing that they say na me tell her
Iwasia ni agbeni mi. Iya mi kina agbeni mi nia. We fude ni iya me agbali yo ni na be agbeni mi. Iya we six mo e wana na sunu. Iya na agbeni mi na mi ofo to le bana se le bo ni iya bi adi yo bi.
Since almost we just want to do away di mo fi odo time we. Only way before nothing next year we to la dia. Ni e do ya go oni wa. Me go like so no gado ge ni kina we ya mo guato oge o ma le se ya mo guata aka mu fi na pa na no ta se o mo so ma he o ogwa mo we mu pa ni mo to ni can you imagine
ije na ye gwe metori na mo so we metori ni e je metori ya wo ke di mo fi gbe na
ba ye e pa wa la go la e pa
do na part it affect you anybody when you talk to you for social media rest if na you will do the same thing no let that one vex you this social media the way wetin dey play as far as say you don hurt me before person you dey fall for victim I go still dey hurt you for my platform na so e dey be so that one no be new thing no be today you enter platform no be today you enter social media No worry for that one. But I want a commenter now. Ogun be their breakfast from my hand. Now Ogun go buy una because now push a party to inside this mess when it is so.
Yeah. All this matter, me I don't face tell her. Sister Jessie, me come mind away. A go matter na ogare because oga go no part to go re kunjo. You understand? So so be su da go na gi ave kun. Gi agbogi, gi agbeli sawo, gi agbo kinori ben ya. E to go wa no janoro rio. Bet we can win. When Nazi, when you posoni me gun zo wa re. Why is it ya pa e ma fe? E why gi ya?
Where's it?
Yeah, video positive video no ye tin go nu ya do ya anya. No ri gi o tu go nu ya do ya anya. O ke ke nu ya ge. E nu ya ge ni ya ro nu pe. Can't you stay away from that thing you got any?
Me blocking yani.
You understand?
No be platform, that platform. No be platform. This woman, BB, na platform. You know sabi right? Na platform. Who tell you say na platform that they call a platform? Watch your school to Elzuo.
They don't tackle. They don't talk. We are not chopping star food.
I know they go work tomorrow. Marieva, they working with a radio, and they make way. Any agwe party today, man.